So millennial employees are often characterized as lazy, spoiled, non-loyal, and I think enterprises need to think of the flip side of that. First, enterprises today are much less loyal to their employees than they were 20, 30 years ago. We heard from someone on the panel who said how many people today offer a pension, whereas 30, 40 years ago that pension was guaranteed. That was something you expected when you came into an office in a workplace. So first of all, cut them some slack. But second, I think you need to recognize that these millennials might want to make it the best office that they can make it, and that's the reason they want the company to be more transparent. They want it to be less bureaucratic so that ideas can come from anywhere. They want it to be data-driven so you can make the best decisions. And so I would say come at it with an open mind, because these millennials are striving for transparency, honesty, and fairness. And if you can live up to those values in what you're doing, you will have millennials give back the respect that you're looking for. So because millennials value fairness and transparency and perhaps flatter, less hierarchical organizations, sometimes that's at odds with being a manager and being the ultimate decider and being the one who dictates what's going on. And so I think millennials, as they sort of rise in companies, do see that some of those values of decisiveness and of leadership are actually necessary. And so millennials are actually adapting to that. All that being said, millennials are also bringing their values with them, and they're being more collaborative, and they're being more open to answers and questions and everything from all directions and from all employees. So again, the best ideas are not in the room. Good ideas can come from anywhere. If you believe that, you don't just want your CEO making decisions, you want everyone weighing in.